Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode I'm going to open up my remaining Hot Wheels carded cars from 2010. Let's first take a look at the card itself. Here you can see there's a little drawing of the car that is inside the blister and a big Hot Wheels logo. Here it says the name of the vehicle on the side, and then here on top is the series it's in. Hot Wheels Premier, those were the new models. I've got mostly new models here. As you can see here, this is a short card, so these are international. International mainline series was 214 cars, and there were 52 new models that year, 2010. So that's almost 25% of the cars that were new. In the US there were 240 cars, so 240, but they only had 44 new models, so that's less than 19% of the main lines. Here on the back, on the short cards, we get the year and the number and the name again. That's something the US cards don't have. So let's start. There's something in here for everyone. There's European cars, Japanese cars, American cars. So the tuned Beetle, plastic base, Volkswagen Beetle it says, in gold color. It gets the headlights painted, and this exhaust is plastic, but the engine itself is metal. So all in all, relatively heavy piece, although it's not that heavy after all. Then nice casting, new model also, the Nissan Skyline GTR 34 in a nice blue color. Hot Wheels Premier. It's got the plastic spoiler. Nice rims. So you don't get a lot of tampos, just in the back. They are pretty okay. The spoiler seems to be a little bit crooked, but yeah, it's okay. Very low side skirts here on the bumper. Cool looking model. And another cool one is this 2009 Cadillac CTS V, number 10 in the lineup. New model. Nice silver color. I believe these are the same rims as the Nissan. Yeah. So it's got a moonroof. It's got some side deco. I believe it says V8 there. Got the headlights. No Cadillac badge anywhere to be seen. And it's got the taillights also. So all in all, here we do get the Cadillac badge, by the way. It's got everything it needs to have tempo wise. Perfect. Cool one. Another cool model, and certainly in this livery, the Lamborghini Gallardo in a matte black finish, number 12. New model also, Hot Wheels Premier LP 560-4. The lace rims, lace or snowflake rims, Lamborghini badge, headlights, the side markers, and the taillights with the Lamborghini name. Exhaust is part of the base, and we get to see the engine through the cover. Yeah, it's a really nice one. Next up, we got a Porsche. The 911 GT2. This is number 15 in the lineup. New model also. Got a gray interior, so that makes it pretty light. You can see all the details inside. typical shape of the seats, the 911 seats. Get the headlights and the Porsche badge, and then the tail lights, although they look a little bit funny. You know, with these tampos on vehicles like the 911 or the AMG GT or the Lamborghini Centenario, it's kind of hit or miss. And some other models too, of course, the 993 and others. So yeah, take it or leave it, I guess. Plastic spoiler also, like the Nissan. Then we got a motorcycle, the Ducati 1098R, number 18 in the lineup. New model that year also. This comes with an inner protector. It does not stand on its own. It's all metal except for the wheels, so that's nice. Got some tampos up here and some tampos on the side. That's about it. Next up we got a 71 Maverick Grabber, number 38 in the lineup. New model, Hot Wheels Premier. Shiny chrome base, so we get the chrome bumpers, we get some tampos on the side, we get tampo on the hood or bonnet. The grille is part of the interior. It's kind of a shiny dark gray interior. So no headlights or taillights, everything is on the side and on the hood or bonnet. But it looks okay, you know, with the chrome bumpers and stuff. The gold color, very nice one. Next up, another Japanese car, the Nissan 370Z, also a Hot Wheels Premier, number 42 in the lineup. A nice blue color. Headlights, but no taillights unfortunately, but these are very strangely shaped. I think Hot Wheels said they threw in the towel and said, well, we're not going to try to do that. That's just way too difficult. So we get the Nissan badge and the 370Z or Z on the back, black interior, but very nice color. The camera doesn't do it any good, the color. It's way nicer in person than on camera. Next up we got an American, the 69 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Now I know what that means, thanks to facts of course. It's the 96 of 214. Also, this is from the Muscle Mania, so there's no more new ones. These are from other series. So got the same color of base as the paint on the car, kind of a teal color. Striping on the side and on the hood or bonnet. Back piece is actually part of the body. Get chrome bumper, that is part of the chrome interior. In the front we just get the chrome grille. Doesn't actually have a bumper by the looks of it. Bumper is part of the base. Looks kind of goofy with the rake and the big rear tires. Another Japanese car in black, this time from the Nightburner series, 2009 Nissan GTR, number 101. Cool rims on it, lens the headlights, and all the tampos in the back are present, everything it needs to have, and they are nicely done. So I'm a happy camper. Exhaust part of the base again. And a dark gray interior. Right hand drive. Looking good. Then we got an American classic. The 37 Ford. Can't tell you what series it was in because it's ripped off, but I can see it in the back. Oh, no series at all. See? It's just a Ford. 139 in the lineup. This one is really wedged in this blister because it's so big. So the white part is metal, the brown, what looks like wood, is plastic. Got a white interior, and it does have a metal base. Look at that. That's cool. Some copper colored wheels, rims. No tampos in the front, nor in the back, just on top this crazy pinstriping. And it's got some greenish, bluish windows. Well, that's okay. And then, of course, there has to be a station wagon, classic Nomad, number 165. Also not in any particular series. And a ripped card, because that's how these are sold here in the stores. Chrome base. So we get the chrome bumpers, we get some striping on the side. And here on the tailgate also, tail lights also. A little bit off, but you know, hit or miss as I told. Got the it's not really a moonroof, it's a sunroof. Yeah, that's what I was looking for in here. The side pipes, are these the side pipes? Yeah, seem like it. In chrome also. Green part of the base, chrome grille, and no headlights. Yeah, cool one. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.